going to do a demonstration of the floor joist detail. So this is going to be the end of timber cut, just to clean up the end. And on the floor joist detail page, it shows this 3x6 floor joist reduced to 3.5 for where it fits into the pocket on the cross sill, the long sill. And that 3.5 inch reduction is 2 inches long, 2 inches long, because it's a 2-inch pocket into the long sill. But I'm just doing it to show you. So that goes to there. Now, on the bottom of the rafter, you have a scoop. The distance you make the scoop, the arc cut, for every inch you go up, you go over an inch and you go over 4 inches. So it's a 1:4 ratio. We have just reduced this from 6 to 3.5, so we've done 2.5 inches. So 2.5 times 4. 10 inches. From this nice flat that I'm going to draw this cut line, we're going to go over 10 inches. And that is a cut line that I use. We now get out our curve. And when I'm alone, I put a clamp on here to hold this. Take the pencil and draw that line, please. Okay, so there's our scoop. And what you should do, or we could do, is make a cardboard template. I didn't bring mine. I thought I did, but I didn't. So this is waste. This is waste. This, we're going to cut off the end of timber, is waste. And I draw this line because you want a nice square flat. I take the skill saw, I cut this off, I cut that line with the skill saw. I want it nice and straight and flat. And this end shows the 10 inch. And make that cut. Now, if you roll that timber twice, okay, so there's the end of timber cut. And this is going to be waste. Draw that line, draw that end right there.